Want quick insights from a sea of data? SQL aggregations like count, sum, and group by are your superpowers. Count star tells you how many rows are there in a table. It's like asking how many students are there. Sum parentheses adds up values in a column. Great for total marks, total sales, or total anything. Average parentheses gives you the average, perfect for finding class average or average spend. Want to break results into categories? Use group by. Like this. What's the average score in a class? Having filters groups after they made. Like only show classes with average scores above 85. Use count, sum, and average to summarize, and group by to organize. Having to filter and summarize. Need totals by category, average per month. SQL aggregations make your data talk.